folks, welcome back. Tell you what, running a little bit behind this week on this. I'm gonna get right to this because my family's starting to get a little hungry. I'm gonna do some wings here in the Emeril Lagasse 360 air fryer. Okay, I've been wanting to try this anyway, guys. This is some How to Barbecue Rights, the King Crawl. It's his Cajun seasoning. Been out, it's fairly new to the market, and I can't wait to try this on these wings. That's all we're going to use. It's going to, oop, boy, that's awful heavy pour. It smells really good. Get them turned over and do the same thing. It's got some non-stick cooking spray. I'm just going to spray your pans, try to prevent a little sticking. And let's get them on in the air fryer. I'm not sure how many is going to fit into one, so we might have to go to two. We're going to try it though. Can he do it? It's going to be tight, but I'm going to get them all into one basket. Do some shifting around. Alright, let's get this thing fired up. On the air fry, got it set. I'm going to keep it at 400. I'm going to set this, I'm just going to go 20 minutes for now. We're going to check it at 20 minutes, and we got to go more, we'll go more. Let's get this thing preheating. Alright, now preheated. Turn it off. Get these guys in. Leave that open very long. I might check on this in about 10 minutes or so, but I have a feeling we're going all the way to the 20-minute mark. Alright guys, we're in about 13 minutes or so, and I'm not going to touch this thing. I'm just going to let it go on to the full 20 minutes because I think we're going to need it just looking at this. Then we'll check temps and see where we're at. Alright. Let's check this thing out, get some temps on this. We're pretty close, to be honest with you. Let's check our flats out. They generally cook a little faster. My flats are pretty well, real close. Alright, I'm going to give the drums another 10 minutes, and I think that's going to get us, guys. I'll give this thing another 10 minutes. I'll see you then. We should be about done. Alright, I bet we're very close to done, if not done here. Helps if I turn that on, huh? Get off the bone. Yeah, we're definitely, everything I'm seeing so far. Yep. At 30 minutes, I could have probably done 25 to be quite honest with you. Get these out of here and give us a thing a taste test. Okay guys, I felt like I rushed this one. I hope it don't show too bad. I don't normally film during the week, so this is kind of a unique experience for me, so I was rushing to just to get it done. Let's give this thing a taste. We can smell that Cajun seasoning there. Nice little bite on the wings. Something I've improved on this air fryer. Wow guys, that I really like it. That's the How to Barbecue Right. It's their King Crawl. It says Cajun seasoning. He's come out with a series of 3 of them. Check them out. I will leave a link below. Very good, guys. I'm gonna try this with a little, just my go-to, a little ranch dressing. Oh yeah. God, that is so good. Little heat, but it's not overpowering. Yes, definitely, that is a go-to, guys. I'll leave a link below to Malcolm's website where you can purchase these on your own. Really good stuff. Guys, thank you. Like I said, I was rushing this, and so thank you so much. Thank you. Hey guys, we're almost to 1,000. Hit that subscribe button. It's really helping us. We're really close to our goal. So thank you. We'll see you on the next video, guys. God bless you. Bye bye.